इट्स शुभन या आई लव ओवर एक्टिंग। और मुझे एक चीज़ दिखाना, चलो चलो। This is FYP. FYP is a new banking app with numberless prepaid card for teenagers aged 11 to 18 years. The main agenda behind FYP was to empower the youth to become mature and responsible adults. जिसको समझ नहीं आया, कार्ड है बच्चों के लिए, टीनेजर। वेलकम टू द अनबॉक्सिंग। डब्बा है, सॉरी, डब्बे के अंदर 3 चीज़ें, कार्ड तो एक गाइड, गवार। योर वर्ल्ड इज अबाउट टू चेंज। बेसिकली contest #flash with FYP, buy to know it. Second, unveil the magic. इसमें हमारा कार्ड है। FYP provides a banking card for teenagers. Cool design है, एकदम lightweight, good quality. It even writes your name in the back. Valid till 8/24 August 2024। यस बैंक के साथ पार्टनर है, वीज़ा। ओके, और गाइड, 3 गाइड्स फॉर FYP यूनिवर्स। अभी FYP कार्ड बनवा तो लिया, फ़ायदे क्या हैं? ऑब्वियसली एक तो फाइनेंशियली यू विल स्टार्ट टू थिंक मोर अबाउट मनी. Secondly, you will get many rewards and cashbacks in this app. It's very user friendly. Thirdly, zero balance account or no fee account, no hidden charges. Fourth, real life experiences basically. The fifth is financial independence. Sixth, you can make transactions as you wish on the go. बस और क्या चाहिए? To get an FYP card, you can visit their website present in the description, or you can download their app and order it through that. Now go get yourself an FYP card. Thanks for watching. Go. Why are you still here? Just to suffer?